Hello guys, welcome back to Crafty Nook Travels, and I'm afraid it's been a little while since I actually put out a proper video. And most of you that follow the channel will know that was because little Lolly surprised us with a new addition to the Crafty Nook in the shape of a new puppy on the 7th of April. And that was little Whiskey. There's plenty of shorts on the channel all about Whiskey. If you're interested, you can have a look at those. But meanwhile, this was right back at the end of March, and we were on Cliff Beach. It's not one of the most popular beaches on the Isle of Lewis. Those are obviously the bigger beaches like Uig. But it is a lovely beach with a community park up. It's £10 a night. There are bins right at the far end of the road. It is only a rough track going down to the car park, and unusually in this park up you are asked specifically not to park in the car park if you want to stay overnight, but to drive up onto the grass and park on the grass. Now, this is quite unusual, especially on the islands, but that is what the community that runs this beach have designated as the parking area. So if you go to Cliff Beach, please don't overnight in the car park. Just move onto the dunes on the other side of the road. Now, as for the beach itself, well, it's become one of our favourites. It does get rather busy in the parking area. There's probably room for about 7 or 8 vans. And our second visit here was over Easter, when we came back to Lewis and Harris from Uist. We stayed on Cliff Beach for the Easter, and yes, there were about 10 vans, including some car campers there. So yes, it's a popular spot. So the actual beach here is more suited to surfers than swimmers, as every time we've visited, even on nice days, you do have rolling waves crashing in. But it is a gorgeous sandy beach. There is a path down to it. They ask that you stick to that path to prevent the erosion of the beach further, as there has been some significant cliff falls over the years, and if you're walking along the beach, the far end, you will see evidence of that. The other thing about this beach, well, the dunes opposite have got lots and lots of large rabbits. I'd say we would probably describe them as hares, because they have very big feet, very big ears, and they're huge, absolute monsters. I've taken some photos, and I've got a bit of video of them running around. And while we were here, we were also lucky enough to see some buzzards circling high up above the cliffs and out to sea. We think they are buzzards, looking at the wingtips. We have seen some sea eagles, but they did not look to be sea eagles. They were slightly the wrong shape, and when you zoomed in on the blobs that we had on the camera, they had the wrong sort of wingtips as well. But it is a beautiful place to visit, and highly recommended on our list of places to go on Lewis and Harris. Hope you enjoyed that. It was just a quickie. I'll try to catch up with all the other videos as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give us a like and share on social media. Thank you.